Hi, I'm David. If you've ever tried to build an online community, you probably know the frustrating truth. Starting it is easy, but keeping it alive is the hard part. You post something and nobody replies. You try to spark a conversation, but it dies after 2 comments. And before you know it, your community turns into a quiet group that looks inactive, which makes new people even less likely to engage. And honestly, most creators don't fail because the idea is bad. They fail because running a community takes constant daily effort, posting, replying, moderating, planning activities, while you're also trying to run your business. So if you want a way to grow a community that actually stays active without you being online all day, this is where Cohortia comes in. And I make this review to break down what Cohortia can do to solve all of these problems. Before I explain what it is, quick note. In the description, I've added a link to my full written review. That includes the full breakdown of the OTO upgrades, any discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, plus my special bonuses that cover different areas of digital marketing. So, if you decide to move forward, you can get better results faster and avoid missing the best value option. Alright, so what is Cohortia? Cohortia is a next-generation AI community platform that builds and runs your community on autopilot. It helps you launch and manage high-engagement communities in basically any niche, but the big difference is what the AI does in the background. Cohortia can automatically create content, keep conversations moving 24/7, and even use virtual AI members that interact like real people, so your community doesn't look empty and activity starts to build immediately. It also brings everything into one place like posts, events, chats, and member profiles, so you're not stitching together multiple tools. And it includes smart AI moderation to keep your community clean and aligned with your rules. On top of that, it's SEO-friendly, mobile-optimized, and it has built-in monetization, so you can sell memberships, content, events, and even courses without needing extra platforms. So the goal is simple: help you grow, engage, and monetize a community without the daily grind. Alright, let's talk pricing, starting with the Cohortia front end. This is basically the kickstart plan that gives you everything you need to launch a real community and get momentum fast. With the front end, you're getting 20,000 welcome credits. You can build up to 3 different communities. You also get 2 AI engines and 4 virtual AI members that help your community look active and keep conversations moving, even when you're just getting started. On top of that, Cohortia can run up to 10 daily auto posts, so your community stays fresh with consistent content without you posting every single day. For scaling, you can have up to 1,000 members per community and add up to 3 admin team members, which is more than enough for most creators to build a strong, profitable group before needing anything else. And the front end comes with a self-business use license, meaning you can use it for your own brand and business. This offer gives you the tools to launch, automate activity, and start growing right away, without needing a huge audience or complicated setup. If you already know you want the full power version of Cohortia, the bundle is the option you'll want to pay attention to. In Cohortia Bundle, you get the front-end core package plus all 4 upgrades, including the core Cohortia system to launch your communities fast, the PRO upgrade, which removes most limits and unlocks advanced AI features, the reseller upgrade to resell licenses and turn this into an extra income stream, the CloudFunnels PRO upgrade for building funnels, stores, and branded pages across unlimited sites, and the Webera PRO upgrade, which adds the AI website building side with coding AIs, graphics AIs, unlimited websites and pages, plus commercial use. Cohortia All-Inclusive Bundle saves you the most money compared to buying the upgrades separately because you're locking in the complete system at a heavily discounted price. So if you're serious about using Cohortia long-term, whether it's for your own communities, multiple niches, client work, or even reselling, the bundle is hands down the smartest and most cost-effective option. Now, let's delve into the details of each upgrade. Upgrade 1, Cohortia Pro. This upgrade removes most limits and unlocks the advanced engine. You get 50,000 welcome credits, build up to 15 communities, and unlock unlimited members per community. It also adds an upgraded content system where the AI can create content based on fresh news, plus multi-content AIs, multi-graphics AIs, more AI presence with 15 virtual team members, and unlimited admin team members. You also unlock extras like an AI graphics creator, AI moderation, and a commercial license, with 2 years of free upgrades. Upgrade 2. Cohortia Reseller. This one is for people who want to sell Cohortia as a product instead of only using it. You get 70 Pro licenses so you can resell access and keep the profit model tied to that reseller package. Upgrade 3. CloudFunnels PRO. This upgrade lets you install on unlimited sites, run unlimited stores, and use all templates with your own branding. It also includes multi-user login, a commercial use license, and basically all features included, so it's like a full business with funnel and store expansion alongside your community. Upgrade 4. Webira Pro. This is the website building and AI creation upgrade. You get 50,000 welcome credits, create unlimited websites, and unlock all coding AIs and all graphics AIs. It also removes page limits with unlimited website pages, gives you a full component library, a logo designer, multi-hosting, team access, a commercial license, and 2 years of free upgrades. In the next part, I'm going to jump into the live demo and show you everything step by step: how to create a community, turn on the AI content and engagement, manage chats and events, set moderation rules, and what the mobile experience looks like. Let's hop into the dashboard now.
In this short demo, we will take a look at Cohortia, all the features it has, and how you can use it to build an amazing community online. Right now, I am at technicforce.cohortia.in. This is our own community hosted on Cohortia, and I'm using a subdomain, but you can also point Cohortia to your own fully qualified domain, your own domain. Now, Cohortia has everything that you expect from a powerful community software, everything that your members may want. But on top of that, it has special features that help you get more members and more customers. The first thing, every Cohortia community is also a mobile app. Yes, it can be installed on the mobile phone and can even be listed on the App Store and the Play Store. So yes, it will work just like a standard mobile app so that your members can access you very, very quickly. We've got features like pin posts, bookmark posts, so people can bookmark posts and find them easier later. We've got categories. Your members can start off a post just by clicking, and then they can choose the category, they can type it out. They can even use AI to create their post. So if they type in something that is a bit random or that's not grammatically refined, they can ask AI to fix it, or they can create new posts with AI. Also, we've got polls. We've also got scheduled posts, so people can schedule a post for later. Now, as an admin, you can even highlight a post and people will see that in special colors when they visit your community so that it'll stand out. And if you have something important to say, you can say that. Cohortia has a nice and simple, easy to consume interface. When you click on a post, it opens up in a new tab. You will see the number of views it got, the number of likes, and also if there are any comments, you will see them and you can put in your own comments too. There is a members profile page where you can see the activities that the member has done, how long they've been around, the streak, the number of contributions they've made. You can also find their posts all in a single place. And if you got chat enabled, yes, you can enable chat in your community, and then any member can send another member a message and even do live chat inside of Cohortia. Cohortia has all the features that you will expect from a professional community software, like a directory of your members that people can search if they are a member, of course. You can have events and people can participate in the events. You can have webinars, you can have calls, and even physical events on Cohortia. And there is a live leaderboard, so you can see who is your top member, what kind of work they're doing, how many posts they've made. And this helps in gamification. It helps promote a nice spirit where people want to contribute more to your community. Now that I've shown you how simple and fun Cohortia is for your members, let me get into the insights and show you how powerful Cohortia admin is. Now this is the Cohortia admin. You can see things like the total number of posts, total members, total events, the engagement rate in your community. You can see in a graph the total number of posts and communities on a daily basis. You can even see the views on your community. Is it popular? You can see things like recent comments, recent posts, You can see all the recent activity on it and the recent users that have participated in your community. I'm going to show you some magic. Cohortia supports the regular members, the human members that participate in your community, that are your customers or your members, but it also has a new and innovative concept of virtual members. What is a virtual member? It is an AI member that you can create, that you can name, and it works just like a regular person, interacting, engaging, posting on your community all the time, all the day, at your interval, at your set interval, of course, without a break. Now what happens is, because it's an AI member that's creating a lot of content and generating buzz, your community never looks dead, even if you are not around to do that work manually, and it sparks off discussion, it sparks off conversations, and keeps your community alive and growing. Let's quickly set up a virtual member so that you can understand how powerful this technology is. So I've set up this virtual member profile with a name and email address. I've put in a photograph, and I've also put in a profile. I've selected a location and a time zone. Next, I can enable various features in this virtual member. So first thing, do I want this member to post on the community? So if I want that, I can just enable posts, and then I can choose how frequently I want it to post. So do I want it posted daily, or do I want it to post 5 to 7 posts a week, or 3 to 5 posts a week, or 1 to 3? It's up to you. You can also choose the post language, and if you want to post about current affairs, let's say you are building a community on gardening, you can let the AI find out what is the latest event, latest happenings, latest news and developments in the topic of your choice, and it can create those posts for you. So you can again choose how frequently you would want to posts about the latest happenings, maybe just once a week out of the 3 that you've selected. So that is absolutely up to you. You can also choose specific days if you want it to post on specific days, and timings in that day. So let's say you wanted to post in the mornings on Sundays, and on Tuesdays you want to post on the evening. You can also do that, or you can choose a random time through the day. So this is all humanizing technology that helps your virtual member behave just like a real person. And you can create multiple virtual members that behave differently, that have different personalities, different ideas. But the same thing with comment. You can enable comment, and you can choose what percentage of comments you want to comment on, and if you want to limit to a certain days, you can do so. Same with replies, and same with likes. So if you want to like maybe 75% of the post, you can do that. And if you want to like the comments made on post, you can do that too. And again, it lets you choose what work days this person is working on or available on. So this technology is revolutionary. You can create from anything from 5 to 15 virtual members depending on your account type, and these virtual members can keep your community a buzzing place. But that's not all. I'm going to show you something even more fun. Now, when you post on a community and you are an admin, you can actually choose a virtual member's ID. So yes, if you got a virtual member in there, you can choose their ID and post on their behalf. What happens then is you are able to post with another person's ID, and that lets you create that buzz yourself. So if you want to create a buzz without having to log in and log out of multiple accounts, this can help you do that. Next, in the post section, you can see all the posts that were created by your members. And if you want to take action on that, like if you want to ban a user, or if you want to click on the post and view the post, you can do so using the admin interface. In events, you can see the events that you've listed, and you can also create an event. The best thing is Cohortia lets you create paid events. That means people need to pay you before they can see the event details, and that means you can monetize specific events. So if you're holding a webinar or you're doing a call with special agendas and you want to let people pay to attend that call or that webinar, you can do so. The same with posts. In fact, you can create paid posts, and when people want to view that post, they have to pay you the money. So that's where you can put in all your digital content like ebooks. If you're sharing any cheat sheets, you can put those there. You can put links to courses or any other type of digital content. It's like a digital locker that people need to pay for. And talking about monetization, Cohortia also lets you monetize membership levels. So you can bring in members at the free level, let them access some content, but to access the member or the top tier level content, they will be asked to pay, and you can set it up the way you want to. You can have a monthly subscription, and people who pay for the higher level, higher tier, those are the people who get the posts or get the content that you set up for the higher tier. Now, Cohortia also supports polls. It also supports comment flagging. So people who flag anything for your review, it shows up over here, and all the earnings that you do from your various sources, you will see this over here. In settings, you can set up things like your basic information about your community. You can set up logos and banners. You can require member approval. So anybody who wants to become a member, you will need to approve them first. You can require post verification, enable members chat, and if you enable it, your members will be able to chat with each other. And you can also make your entire community paid. So people who want access, they will need to pay you first, and only then they will get to access your community. You can put in your meta pixel code and of course any other pixel code over here. You can also connect your community to various social media accounts. You can put in SMTP settings, so when your mail goes out, it will use the SMTP that you provide. You can also set up email templates for all the various messages that are received by people. Things like registration verification, forgot password, new post notification, post like notification. Every mail can be customized. Set up your categories over here that will show up on the front page of your community, and you have access to various themes like sunny day, ocean breeze. You can see all these themes and select the theme that you want to. Here are your membership levels, so you can decide what membership level a person starts at and how they gain membership levels, how they climb through the levels. You can decide at what points they are level 4 or level 5. You also have control over the notifications that people will get, and you can decide the criterion. And you can integrate major payment gateways like PayPal, Razorpay, and Stripe with Cohortia to get paid. And in membership, you can set up your paid membership levels and the features that you expose. In this quick demo, I will show you the highlight features of Cohortia. This is growth marketing, our own community that we are building using Cohortia. Cohortia has every single feature that you can expect from a really powerful community builder, including features like pin posts. So you can pin the posts that you want your members, your viewers to see first. Your members can also bookmark posts, and anything they bookmark will be available to them in the bookmark section. Moderators and admins can also highlight a post. So when you highlight a post, it's highlighted in a different color, and as people scroll through it, they will notice what you have to say. That way you can promote special offers, or if you want to bring your post to everyone's notice, you can highlight it. And then you have the topic boards. You can categorize posts under specific topics, and your members can easily consume them. Now, whenever you want to create a post, all you need to do is click over here and you get this nice WYSIWYG post writer where you can create a post not just by your own words, but you can also use AI. You can also create polls, and you can even schedule a post for future. Now, all your communities are also apps using the PWA or Progressive Web App technology. So people can install your community on their telephones, on their mobile phones. You can view a post by clicking on the post title. You can see things like the number of post views, the number of likes. You can see the comments if there are any comments, and of course you can leave your own comment on the post itself. Cohortia has everything you can want from a professional community builder and more. For example, you can click on a member's name and you will be taken to a dedicated profile where you can see things about the member, like when are they a member from. You can see how long they've been active, the posts they've made, and you can also do live chat. So yes, if you enable live chat inside of your admin for this community, you can do live chat with the member and build connections. This is great if your community is focused on a specific topic and you want to promote people to partner and communicate. Then there's the members directory where you can see all the members that are a part of the community. You can reach out to them, and you also have events. Yes, Cohortia promotes events, so you can have webinars, you can have even physical events, and you can organize them in your community. And you have the facility to make both free and paid events. That means you can have paid sessions, you can charge your community members to attend your webinar or attend your call, and you can all make it a part of Cohortia. There's also the leaderboard, which rewards or which recognizes people who have been active. So you know who are your most active community members and what they've been up to. And this is a good way to kind of have these people stand out. Now, this was the front end of Cohortia. Now let's go into the admin and see what features do we have there. All right, this is the admin for Cohortia, and you can see we've got the basics like the total number of posts, the total number of members, the events that you've done, and the engagement rate of your posts. You will see a graph that shows you how many posts and comments were happening every day. You will see the number of views every day. And below that, you can see the recent comments. It links back to the main comment on the main website, on the main community. You will see the recent posts and the member that did it, the recent activity, all the activities that happened in the website. Then you've got the recent users, all the users that were created. Now in all members, you can see the people who are the members of your community. These are your regular members, the people who might have paid you, or the people who might be your fee members. Both of them are here. You can activate or deactivate a member. You can ban a member, all from this list. You can also filter looking at the pending members. If you want approval, like you could approve the member. You can also see the list of banned members and of course control some various other stuff. Now, Cohortia has a very special feature called virtual members. You can create AI members that work just like the human being. For all your other members, they will just be like a regular person, like a human being, but only you will know that these are AIs that are actually creating engagement, creating posts, liking posts, commenting on posts, making sure your community is always alive. Because here is the fact, nobody wants to go to a community that's dead, right? The community must be happening. So you can set up your member over here. For example, let's call a member John Kate. Very weird name. You can select an avatar for them. I'm just gonna choose this one for now. Of course, you can put in anything you want. Put in a logo, John's into marketing. And you can select the location like United States. And the time zone, if you want to set a specific time zone, you can. I'm just setting something random. Now you've got the features that you want to enable for this member, and pay attention here because this is where the magic happens. You can enable posts, and then you can decide how often the member will post on your community. So you can choose from daily posts to 5 to 7 posts a week, which will be randomized, to 1 to 3 posts a week. So depending on how often you want the member to be posting on the community, you can select that. You can also select what language they will post in, and if you turn this on, automatic posts about recent news. Here is what's going to happen. The member is going to look at what is happening in the world in your niche, and it's going to prepare a little post on whatever was recent and post it to your community. So that means your content, your data will be absolutely recent, absolutely live, and that is going to make your community hyper relevant, right? Again, you can choose how often you want the post to go, daily or 1 to 3 posts a week. It's totally up to you. You can even select what specific days of the week you want the post to happen and what time in the day. So let's say on Sundays you want them to operate in the noon, you can do that. And if any other day, any other time, you can do that, or you can even randomize it. This is all for human behavior, right? We human beings don't work like AIs, right? We have to be randomized. We have to do things in a specific manner. We have to, like they say, throw the sand a little bit in the air. So it's to randomize things. You get to choose exactly how you want to randomize. Then you've got comments. Yes, you can get your AIs to comment on posts by human beings and by other AIs, because when people see a comment on their post, let's say a human being posts a new post in your group, and when they see a comment, they get this dopamine hit, right? It's very important. When people see a comment on their post, something that is supportive, even feedback, they love it and they will post more often. That's what it's about. You can also get the AI to post replies to the comments on your post. Again, you get to choose how many of the comments you want the AI to reply. 50%, 25%, 10%, according to your comfort zone. Some AI members can be more active, some can be less active. Totally up to you. Then you can also choose whether these AIs will like your posts or not. Again, the same algorithm, and you can even have them operate on specific days, right? So this is beautiful because it will keep your community growing on autopilot. This is the superpower of Cohortia. Next, we have teams. These are all the people who are in your team, the moderators, the people who you have given management rights, they're over here. And you can add new people too if you want to. You can elevate people into moderators. In post, you will see the list of all the posts that were created and some engagement, how many likes and views they got. You will see it all over here. You will see if a post was highlighted, and you get some control over here also. You can take down a post, you can highlight, remove a highlight, or you can provide a highlight, or you can even ban the user if it's not good enough. Now in events, you will see the events that you've created. So far, I have not created one, but you can easily create an event, and then you can have an online event or you can have a physical event. It's totally up to you. And don't forget, Cohortia is all about monetization. You can even have an event to access which people have to pay money. So imagine promoting a webinar on your community and putting in a link to the event and telling the members to attend this webinar, you got to pay $70. And when people click on the link, they will be directed to a payment page. After they do the payment, they will be shown the event details, right? They will get the link to the webinar. Beautiful concept because it helps you monetize everything. You can even monetize posts, right? Did I tell you that when you create a new post, you can monetize the post and you can decide how much people will pay to access that post. Cohortia also has polls. So when you create a poll, people can tell you what they feel about anything. And you can, of course, create a poll directly from the main interface. You don't need to come here. Okay, let me try to show you very, very quickly paid post because it's a lot of fun, right? It's good fun to make money. So when you click over here, you will get to see what post you want to make. And this is again available to admins and moderators, the payment system. You just turn on paid post, and I've set up, I think this is pound as the currency. You get to choose where you, what currency you want to use in settings. So you can change the currency. Of course, you can use a different one also. And you can set a price like 32 pounds, right? So people will have to pay. Next, in the flag section, you will see the comments or the posts that were flagged either by the AI. So yes, Cohortia has AI powered moderation. And if AI sees something that is not good, it will flag it and you can remove it, right? So people can also flag things and you will see those things too in here. By the way, you can choose to be notified of anything that is flagged. Cohortia has a very strong notification system. So when you go in here, there are notifications and you can get to be notified on user registration, flag content, or you can get a daily digest of all the things that will happen. You just need to enable notification for yourself, and you can even put in a custom email. So if you don't want to use the membership email, you want to send it to somebody else, maybe one of your team members, you could do that. Now, Cohortia also lets you message your members. You can send out a message to everyone, or you can send out a message to a specific person or a specific group of persons. All you need to do is click like this, and you can send out a message to specific people. So maybe if you want to send out an offer, or you want to send out a mailer, you want to send out a message or a warning, whatever you want, you can send out messages directly from within Cohortia. By the way, in case you don't remember, or maybe I haven't shown you, you can export your members to CSV. You can bring them into other applications, your CRMs or your autoresponders, whatever you want, so that you can market to your members. This is very important, right? You should be able to market to your members. Next, earnings. This is what it's about. So all the money that you get paid inside of Cohortia from your members will show up over here. You will see the amount, the product they ordered, the customer name, all the details you need to understand how much money you're making and what you should be focusing on. Now in settings, you get to control a lot of aspects about your community. Things like basic information. You can set up name, description, all the things that you want, like time zone and all, whether you want it to be an approval community, whether you want to approve every single post, or you want to disable or enable members chat. You also have media and tracking. You can set up a logo, you can change your banner and put in your pixel codes over here. In social accounts, you can put in your social media accounts, which will be a part of the community. You can also put in your SMTP accounts because all the mails that will be sent will be from your SMTP. You got a bunch of these email templates. So for everything, registration, verification, forgot password, new post notification, Cohortia gives you total control. You can choose exactly how the mail will look. It's a template, it's HTML based. You just need to put in those placeholders, that's all. And you can design the mails the way you want. You can put in your custom footers also. You can send in your custom offers also in all the notifications that people get, the people who are members of your community, right? You control that. Now you can set up what categories you want to have in your community. You can choose from a number of different themes that we have. And you can also decide what are the membership levels that your community supports and how many points does a person need to get to that level. I already showed you about notifications. Cohortia is multi-payment supportive. So you can integrate PayPal, you can integrate Stripe, or you can integrate Razorpay too. So we've got 3 different payment gateways, and depending on what people need, we might introduce new gateways in the future, but Stripe and PayPal, that covers nearly all of the market. So you can put in your Stripe details or your PayPal details and enable all the monetization features of the community just like that. In membership, you can disable and enable your membership plans. What are the membership plans you have, and whether you want to send out warning mails to people when their membership expires, send expiration confirmation mails, all the things that you require to make sure that you have retention.
I will walk you through the key features that helps you run a community that looks active, stays engaged, and grows without you needing to post, reply, and moderate all day. AI-powered content creation. One of the hardest parts of running a community is showing up every day with something to post. Cohortia takes that pressure off by automatically generating posts and updates for your community. So, instead of the feed going quiet when you get busy, your community stays fresh with new topics and content that give people a reason to check in again. Virtual AI members. Here's the wow part. Cohortia can create virtual AI member profiles that behave like real users. This solves the biggest early-stage problem: an empty community that looks dead. These AI members help your space feel active, welcoming, and already in motion, even before you have a large audience. AI-driven engagement. Cohortia's AI members can also like, react, and comment, so discussions don't fall flat after one message. That keeps conversations moving, helps real members feel noticed, and creates the kind of activity loop that makes people want to participate more. AI moderation. Cohortia includes AI moderation that can enforce your rules automatically. This helps keep your community clean, on topic, and aligned with your policies, even when you're offline. Create posts, chats, and events. You get posts for discussions, chat for real-time connection, and events so you can run live sessions, meetups, or community activities in one place. Everything you need to build a real tribe without patching tools together. Member profiles and activity feeds. To make the community feel more real and social, Cohortia comes with member profiles and activity feeds. So members aren't just anonymous names. They have a presence, and the feed makes it easy to see what's happening, who's active, and what's trending inside your community. SEO optimization. This is a big one if you want growth beyond social media. Cohortia has built-in SEO optimization, which means your posts can be structured in a way that's easier for search engines to index, helping you attract organic traffic over time, not just relying on paid ads or constant posting. Mobile-friendly and app-like experience. And finally, Cohortia is built to feel smooth on mobile. It's mobile-friendly and app-like, so members can use it comfortably on phones and tablets. Because realistically, that's where most people will engage with your community day to day. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, Whiteboard Explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my Cohortia review. I'll also be showing you some of those bonuses in just a moment so you can see exactly how they add extra value on top of Cohortia. If you're looking for an AI-powered community platform that helps you create content automatically, keep engagement active with virtual AI members, manage conversations, events, and moderation without being online all day, then Cohortia is definitely worth a closer look. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full Cohortia review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Cohortia walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who Cohortia is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Cohortia and improve your overall online marketing results, not just community growth. So if you're serious about building a community for traffic, leads, recurring income, or long-term audience building, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if Cohortia is the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this Cohortia review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.